So how do you stream VLC on the iPad? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, if this is your first time on this channel, consider subscribing for tutorials and videos like this one. Anyways, you need to have the VLC app downloaded on your iPad, right? So you will basically just get it from the App Store and open it for the first time. But there are some more ways how you can do this. So you essentially want to go to the Browse section at the bottom of the tab bar within the VLC app, and if you go to the browse, you have some different methods, some streaming available. So you can check out the sharing via Wi-Fi. When you enable it, you basically turn on the server for your local network, and it's going to give you two URLs. You can literally see the local storage or the local network in here, and you can just type that into a different computer or a different web browser, right? So it's very interesting because you can that way just bring in the files and sort of stream them, even though you don't bring the files into the local storage. Because to be honest, I personally prefer just saving the videos into my local storage, right? And it will just kind of allow you to do it instead of streaming. So I guess it would make sense for a lot of people, but you can do whatever you want, but I'm just showing you how it kind of works. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to set it up on your iPad. Subscribe for upcoming tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later. So stay tuned and I'll talk to you soon.